Ever wondered how managing an information technology project differs from directing a massive infrastructure project? Well, today we delve into this intriguing comparison and contrast their project life cycles. We commence with the life cycle of an IT project. It usually follows the agile or waterfall methodology, which includes stages such as initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. However, the most distinctive feature of IT projects is the iterative nature of their life cycle. They're flexible, allowing for modifications and improvements throughout the development process. This adaptability is a boon, especially when dealing with software development or product innovation where user feedback is crucial for success. On the other hand, infrastructure projects like highway construction or tunneling are a different ballgame altogether. They follow a more linear and structured life cycle, often referred to as the construction or design-bid-build process. This process is quite rigid, with each stage, from initiation, design, tendering, construction, to closure, following a strict sequence. This stringent structure is necessary to ensure safety, meet regulatory standards, and control costs in these high-stake projects. Now, let's contrast these two sectors on a broader scale. Firstly, the level of uncertainty. In IT projects, the uncertainty lies in the technological complexity and ever-changing customer requirements. Whereas in infrastructure projects, the uncertainty is more about the physical and environmental constraints. Secondly, the stakeholders involved. IT projects often have numerous stakeholders, including end users, developers, and investors. On the other hand, infrastructure projects involve stakeholders such as government bodies, contractors, and the general public. Thirdly, the project timeline. IT projects, especially those following agile methodologies, are typically shorter and more flexible. Infrastructure projects, however, span over longer periods, sometimes even years, and require extensive planning and coordination. Fourthly, the risk factors. IT projects often face risks related to technology obsolescence, security breaches, or software bugs. Infrastructure projects, in contrast, face risks related to safety incidents, environmental impacts, or construction delays. Fifthly, the skill set required. IT project managers need to be adept at software development, data analysis, and customer relations. Infrastructure project managers, on the other hand, require expertise in civil engineering, contract management, and regulatory compliance. Sixthly, the project budget. IT projects, although not cheap, typically have smaller budgets compared to infrastructure projects, which often run into millions or even billions. Seventhly, the impact of failure. A failed IT project might result in financial loss and customer dissatisfaction. However, a failed infrastructure project could lead to severe safety hazards and public outcry. Eighthly, the measurement of success. IT projects gauge success by user satisfaction, system performance, and return on investment. Infrastructure projects measure success in terms of safety, quality, time, and budget adherence. Ninthly, the project environment. IT projects are often executed in a dynamic, fast-paced environment. Infrastructure projects, however, operate in a more static, controlled environment. And lastly, the project output. IT projects result in intangible products like software or services. Infrastructure projects deliver tangible outputs like roads, bridges, or tunnels. To sum it up, managing IT and infrastructure projects involves different challenges, requires varied skill sets, and follows distinct life cycles. While IT projects thrive on flexibility and adaptability, infrastructure projects demand meticulous planning and strict control. The contrast is stark, but it's this diversity that makes the field of project management so dynamic and interesting. So, the next time you marvel at a piece of innovative software or drive through a beautifully constructed tunnel, remember the vastly different project management strategies that brought them into existence.